Today we will be showing you how to extract a tape from a full-height Seagate LTO tape drive. This tape extraction procedure will work for all full-height Seagate LTO drives. Please be advised, this is for extraction of a tape from a defective tape drive only. Removing the tape from the drive will not fix the faulty drive, and the drive itself will still need to be replaced. You will start by using a screwdriver to remove the top cover of the drive. There are 6 screws that hold the top cover on. 2 on the front, 2 on the back, and 1 on each side. If there are any stickers covering the screws, they must be removed first. Once the screws are removed, you can carefully lift the top cover straight up and off the drive and set it to the side. Once the top cover is pulled off, you will need to choose if you want to rewind the tape all the way into the cartridge or if you just want to cut the tape. If you want to rewind the tape all the way, keep watching from here. If you just want to cut the tape and remove it, skip ahead. To rewind the tape, use a Torx screwdriver in the hole in the bottom of the drive to engage the front spool. Rotate the screwdriver clockwise to wind the tape back into the cartridge. Once the tape has been rewound all the way and the screwdriver will not turn any further, locate the arm release on the left rear of the drive. Engage the release and push the arm towards the back of the drive so it will release the tape leader. Then you can use the screwdriver in the bottom of the drive to rewind the tape the rest of the way into the cartridge. Now you need to locate the deck drive gear on the right side of the drive. Spin the gear towards the inside of the drive repeatedly to raise the deck and push the tape out. Once the release cannot spin any further, the cartridge will be completely disengaged and you can pull it out and set it to the side. If you decided you want to cut the tape on the drive, first use a pair of scissors to cut the tape. Then you will need to spin the deck drive gear on the right side of the drive towards the inside of the drive to raise the deck and push the tape out. Then you can proceed to pull out the remainder of the tape media on the rear spool by hand. Once you have pulled out the media and is completely taut, you will push the arm out of the center of the rear spool until the leader is visible. Then you can pop the barbell off the leader and the extraction is complete. If you are returning the defective drive as a core exchange to the Rocket platform, you do not need to reassemble the drive. Simply place the top cover back on the drive and ensure that all screws and other small parts are included in the anti-static bag with the drive before shipping it back to us. If you have any further questions about tape extraction from a full-height Seagate LTO tape drive, please reach out to us at support@therocketplatform.com. Thanks for watching. This has been another video by the Top 10 USA Video Production Team. We look forward to sharing more content with you going forward, so please check out our YouTube channel and please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new piece of content.